Hello everyone, welcome to the Nail Tip Show. I'm at CosmoProf in Las Vegas. I'm standing at booth Bio Seaweed, and I have my favorite person here. Her name is Helen Liu, and she will share with us some of the new products, right?
Yes.
So hi Helen.
Hi Anne, thank you for having me on Nail Tip Show. I love you so much, and I love Vegas. Let's check out our booth.
Yeah, so you want to tell what's going on here?
Sure. So at our booth at CosmoProf, we're here to look for new wholesalers, new retailers, and of course nail salons that would like to offer healthier nail products. So we have Vicky and Denise here trying out our newest line, dip powder. How do you like it so far, Vicky?
I love it. It's so shiny, like I've been looking for a good dip product, so I've tested this out and the top coat is amazing. It looks just like gel, so it's really good. Like I just tested this out right now, and I try to do a different color because I'm working on it and I know a lot of problem with it. So I try to figure out if they testing all different color if they have any problem, but it's been good so far.
So do you have a salon?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Where's it at?
It's in Arkansas, Hot Springs. Yeah.
So do you have a lot of dipping clients?
Yeah, a lot of clients now do the dipping, and I do. Actually, we use a lot of the gel color from BBO because they are natural and they have a good ingredient, and the color, the pigmentation is really good. The thing about I love the color. I'm very picky. I have to go look for color, and I like the pigments. I like the color. I have to be very so true color, and they have very good collection.
Thank you. So what we have here next?
Thank you, Vicky, for all that information. And honestly, guys, we just met her yesterday in person. So thank you for supporting our brand. Really happy to have customers like you. Okay. So at our booth, we can show you the rest of our products. So the little bit you just saw was our dip powder. We'll start over here. A little background about Bio Seaweed Gel. We've been in the industry since 2006. So for the past 13 years, our first product is Unity All-in-One Gel. So Unity All-in-One Gel, it has built-in base, color, and top all in one bottle. This is exclusive pedicure product. What we mean is when you use this product, you can get so much profit in the salon to upgrade to gel pedicure. Just 2 coats, no need to cleanse that as well because inside is built-in no wipe top. Yeah.
It's, I think, a great feature that for artists is good for that.
Yes, this product, it's super pigmented, so it's amazing for nail art as well.
Good. So what do we have here?
So next up, we have our traditional 3-step gel. So this is our B-Bio matching set. We have our 3-step gel color, so this one you do have to put base and top. And then we have our matching B-Bio nail lacquers, so matching mani and pedi. And then over here, our third product line, which we saw a little bit with Vicky and Denise, is our dipping powders. So our dipping powders are a 2-in-1 powder. You can use it with monomer liquid to do your traditional acrylic, or you can also use it with our Big 5 Free Dip Liquid, so you can offer a dipping system. And no lamps needed. So this one, if someone is really interested in still having the alternative to gel or acrylic, they still want something that lasts long, looks very shiny, very strong, but they don't like the lamp, this product is the best one. And it's so fast. You can use this service and make much more profit in the salon as well.
Definitely. And the bottom we have like a blooming gel, right?
We do. So this product here is called our Artiste Blooming Nail Art Gel. It creates airbrush looks. And actually I have something on my nail that Denise did for me. So we can zoom in. Thank you, Tom. So this one, Artiste, it took her no more than 30 seconds to do.
Yeah, I love that gel.
Yeah. We have to see Anne live action with Artiste. She's such a good artist.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
And how many colors do you have for right now?
So right now on the dip line, we have 114, and they are matching to the 3-step B-Bio. So total, we have like the trio set, 114. And then in the Unity All-in-One Gel, this one we have 145 colors. We actually do have a new collection that we just launched as well. If you don't mind, we can go over on this side of the booth.
Let's check it out.
So these ones are our newest collection for summer collection, the Rhinestone Gel. So there are a total of 12 foil gel, and we have a sample of them painted out here as well. So these ones are inspired by gems and stones. For example, the first one is called Diamonds, Gold Bar, Morganite, the Rose Gold, Rose Quartz, Ruby, Garnet. So Who doesn't love diamonds? Diamonds, girl best friend.
Exactly. And again, you can use this for nail art as well because it's really pigmented and the glitter is really nice and shiny. So I think it's really great addition to your on top of your gel polish or any nail art design that you guys desired, right?
When in doubt, you just add a little bit of sparkle.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's all you need.
Okay. So besides that, I know you have the top and base, and I love your top and base. It's really good products. But you have big size for refill, right?
We do. So at CosmoProf this year, we're launching our bigger size refill. So now the original size was 8.5 fluid ounce, which is this box here. And we have now the double size, which is on the other side, the white label ones. So this is our upgraded, stronger base one and no wipe top. The reason why everyone loves our products actually is because Seaweed Gel prioritize healthier nails. So all of our products are Big 5 free. They don't have the harsh chemicals that can stain, dehydrate, or weaken your nails. The base coat as well is no sanding and no primers or bonders. And here, Anne, I'd love to show you as well, we have our brand new dust collector.
Oh.
So, I mean, when we're working, everything gets dusty over time, right? So this way you can keep your environment more healthy and more safe. So this model is a plug-in, and it has the tray that you can dispose and clean up.
Wow. So it just basically you put it right where you're working and it sucks all the dust in?
Yes, correct. So you would place this right underneath your station, and then you would ask your client to have her hand right over, and then everything you're working, filing, sanding, drilling, everything will go in and suck away instead of us breathing it in.
Perfect. And how often you have to change the filter?
So on average, it just depends on, of course, how many services you do, but we would say at least every month.
Pretty good. All right, thank you for that. And just she has some cute, fun toys too. Like I know Tiffany, she was attracted to this one. Look how cute that is. I love that, right? It's like your cute makeup bag. And she also have this. Look, for your work, for your office, in your wallet. I mean your purse or something really cute and portable for you to travel with. And of course all the keychains and pens and all that stuff. Okay, so if they want to know more information and products, where can they come and find you?
So we welcome everybody please to visit our website, www.bioseaweedgel.com. We also have 2 head offices in Toronto and Garden Grove, so you can always visit us there. Otherwise, you can reach us by telephone, email. We're always here to help and always here and excited to teach you all about our products.
And they follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube as well. And check us out as well on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
Thank you.
Bye.